So you're currently having issues with your games on Riot Client. The game is not starting, it's currently crashing, and you're not sure what to do. I'm going to walk you through a few things that you can try in order to fix those problems. So the first thing I recommend for you to do is to close the Riot Games client and restart your computer. Right? So you can try to close it and open it again, see if that fixes the problem. And when I say close it, I mean, you don't just close it, right? You want to ensure that you close it, ensure that it's not in the tray in the lower right hand side. So you want to find it, right click on exit. It's going to ensure that the client exits. And then from there, you can open up the Riot client once more. Try that, try to access your game, see if that works. If you're still facing problems with this, I recommend try rebooting your PC and see if when the game comes back up, if that fixes the problem. If you're still having problem, you can open up the Riot client, go ahead and click this profile in the upper right, go into the settings, and from here, you want to go ahead and find a game. Under the game section here, you will find a repair. So go ahead and hit repair, and you will have the option to start the repair. Click on start repair. What it's going to do, it's going to perform a scan on the installation of the game and repair any missing or corrupted files that could hinder it from playing. And so this is what you want to do. Go ahead and repair it, then try to reboot your computer afterwards, and then try again. In many cases I've had where that actually fixed the problem. So I want to recommend that you try this. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple, guys.